If you check on this deposit media, which is up, as you can see it is up here, this deposit here, you see that there is no deposit that is being done within a week. There's no deposit that is done within a week. All these are fantastic entry positions that end us up to this point. These are fantastic positions. So the best thing you can do is giving us a thumbs up and enjoy our work. You can see over here, you can see a full profit of the amount we made so far. You can see for yourself. You can see this is our last week trade. This trade here, we placed this trade for some time. Okay, we left it for quite some time, but nevertheless, let us quickly jump back to the video. Let's jump back. Okay, at the time of recording this video, this is how the market is, and this is how the market has been. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to zoom in first to check the zoom level that we're having. So zoom out. This is the zoom level that we're having here. So this is zoom level. So what you have to do first is switch over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, check what the higher time frame is doing. So if you watch here, this was a sell position, and this is a buy position. But then you have to set your breakout level here. You have to set your breakout level at these 2 points. You set at your breakout level. You can put another breakout level at the middle here, that if you want, which is this one should be your standing point of when you want to break out, or your breakout. That should be your standing point. Okay, so that is all the things you have to make sure you take note of. Make sure you take note of it, because it's so annoying that you place a trade, maybe you place a buy position at this point and it's selling. This is a 1 hour time frame, so it might kill your account before you even know it. Okay, so if you haven't already, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, join the comment section, or check the link in the description if you want to message us, if you want to see our group and all that. So we're going to make some live trade on this trading. We'll make some live trade. Yes, so we'll switch over to the 1 minute time frame first. We'll switch in first. Okay, to check it out. So you can see the 1 minute that the sell position is still pumping. You can see that it is still pumping. So first, we haven't made much of our analysis, so we are not just going to jump into this trade all of a sudden. We're not jumping into the trade all of a sudden. So we're going to trade, but after making much of our analysis. So if you are still with us, make sure you don't just jump out. Okay, make sure you just jump out. Stay tuned with us. Stay with us. Let us make more money. Stay with us. Let's make more money. Okay, stay with us. This is one of the best strategy. This is one of the best so far. This is one of the best. So you can see that we also give you guys fantastic trades, fantastic positions. Always give you guys fantastic positions. always give you guys some fantastic positions that helps in fascinating. So you can see that we placed a sell position. This sell position now, the reason why we place it here is because the account is big. Okay, so it can hold a lot of reversal because this account is going to reverse. So we're just placing our trade and we're on some minus. But when the profit will start running, you guys will see for yourself when the profit will start running. Okay, then we use on a small account. I will use a small account to enter this buy, so you guys can see for yourself also. Okay, that is how we do account management. A bigger account we hold because there is always a reversal point, and then what we do is we set stop losses and all that. Okay, and make the account so massive. This is not the profit I'm talking about though. It's not a profit. When you see the main profit, you see it. Okay, this one is just something that is dangling. So for those of you who want the settings for this strategy, just message me. The settings is free for this strategy. It's completely free. We don't charge you any bit of anything. Okay, so just stay with us. You can see that there are a lot of minus. You will see when I will switch the account and I will use a smaller account to enter the buy position. Okay, you will see when I will do it. The buy position is definitely not too strong, but it's worth entering because you guys, for those who have been trading volatility 51s, you should know that it runs even the smallest low size. This is the smallest low size. Even the smallest low size can run on a massive speed. Okay, so this is the way I'm flipping. This is the way I'm switching it. This is the way I'm switching it down. Okay, so I just placed in the trades. Okay, this is the trade. This is already running. It's already running. It's already running. So we'll check it out. Because this trade we closed it on a huge profit of $50 something. That's what we'll close this trade at. Okay, because we didn't use a big lot size. Okay, so in a bit we'll be setting our stop loss. That is what we're doing now. We'll be setting our stop loss. We're setting the stop loss. Okay, so guys, you guys should know that to secure a profit, you have to set a stop loss. And you guys know I always tell you guys something like that on our free signal group. So join the WhatsApp free signal group today. Join the WhatsApp free signal group. Today. Join it. It's so amazing. So amazing. So you can see there's power in holding a trade. Okay. But for those of you who have small accounts, very small, okay, we'll advise you to just find the best breakout position. So if you're joining my signal group, you see a lot of breakout positions where I will tell you guys the market is breaking out and we'll hold the trade for 4 days, 2 days, 7 hours, 3 hours, something like that. And it's so amazing because a lot of people benefit from it and make a lot of money from it. A lot of money from it. So we are on $36 now. Okay, we're on $36. So we'll just be watching. Please guys, share this video with your loved ones, share it with friends. Okay, because what we are trying to do, we're trying to make the world a better place where a lot of people will not be disturbing you for phones and all that, so they can just come with their phones and we will use We'll show them how to make money with whatever they have. Okay, so we are doing some giveaway. The giveaway entry, you can just message us with the link in the description for WhatsApp. You can just message us. The giveaway is so amazing. It's so amazing. So you ask us the details for the giveaway, but we are giving out 30 persons $7,000. So you check, you say the entry. If you want to enter for the giveaway, you enter. You guys have known we do this giveaway almost every 6 months. So we are doing the giveaway. So make sure you join in. Make sure you ask what is needed before you join in. Okay, it's so amazing and so good. We've been doing it for the past every 6 months. So if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so that you also can benefit. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, so this is the sell position that I entered before. You can see this is sell position that I entered before. You can see it. You can see for yourself. This is sell position. This is sell position. Accurate. So if you're ready for the giveaway, don't forget to message us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Share with your families, so that they also can benefit. This giveaway is going to stay for 10 days. Okay, the giveaway is for 21 days. The giveaway is going to last us until the new year. So the ending of the giveaway is on the 1st of January 2023. That's when we are going to end the giveaway. So you better come now and join us. Come now, join us and be part of this massive giveaway. Okay, join us and be part of this massive giveaway. Okay, it's so good, guys. So good and so sweet. So make sure you don't miss it out. Like, subscribe, comment in the comment section. Okay, all these things are very important to us. Don't just watch and don't want to come back. All these settings, strategies that we give out to you guys, most of it are VIP strategies. You can see in total how much we made here. It's so good. So if you want settings for this strategy, just message me. It's completely free. We'll give it to you guys for free. So I don't want the video to be that long. That is why I didn't add it together. Okay, because the video may be extremely long. And so if you want us to be doing live stream, comment in any of my videos and tell us the time you want us to be doing our live stream. Okay, tell us the time you want us to be doing our live stream and indicate the country you're coming from, so we can compare with the country we are in and give you the best timing for the video, for the live stream. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.